Tired of rushed mornings and midday meltdowns that start with a sugar crash? Here's the truth no one tells you. Your breakfast is the real game changer, not your coffee. But here's where it gets controversial. What if I told you you could eat like a king and still beat the breakfast line? Let's unpack 7 genius strategies that turn protein-packed meals into your weekday sidekick, whether you're racing to work or sipping coffee in your pajamas. And this is the part most people miss. The secret isn't just what you eat, but how you store, reheat, and customize it to survive chaos. Ready to swap grab a croissant panic for I've got this calm? Let's dive in. Number 1. Oatmeal that's ready when you are and tastes like dessert. Think beyond plain oats. This is a flavor explosion in a jar. Mix half-cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup soy pea milk, 1 scoop plant protein, 20 to 25 grams, 1 tablespoon chia flax, and a pinch of salt. Shake it up, then choose your adventure. Mocha Magic, Cocoa plus Espresso, PBJ Vibes, Peanut Butter plus Raspberries, or Tropical Bliss, Mango plus Coconut. Chill overnight and voila, your breakfast is already made. Pro tip: if your protein powder clumps, whisk it with a splash of milk first. Too thick? Add a splash more. These last 4 to 5 days in the fridge, and you can customize them on the fly. Swap in toasted nuts for crunch, or freeze dry ingredients in bags for last-minute assembly. This isn't breakfast, it's a mood booster. #2. Tofu burritos that'll make your coworkers jealous. Crumble pressed tofu in a pan with oil, onion, and bell pepper. Spice it up with turmeric, cumin, paprika, and a dash of black salt for that eggy kick. Add black beans, spinach, and optional roasted potatoes. Spoon onto tortillas, slap on salsa, and roll tight. Wrap in parchment and foil, then freeze for up to 2 months. Reheat in an air fryer, 8 to 12 minutes, or toaster oven. Each burrito packs 20 to 30 grams of protein. The hack? Keep sauces inside the filling to avoid soggy rats. Gluten-free? Use corn tortillas and make mini quesadillas. Trust me, future you will thank you when you're stuck in traffic at 8 a.m. 3. Savory muffins for the no fork, no problem crowd. These handheld wonders solve the I want something savory but not messy dilemma. For the tofu version, blend 16 ounces silken tofu with nutritional yeast, cornstarch, turmeric, and salt. Fold in sautéed mushrooms, peppers, and tempeh crumbles. For the chickpea version, whisk chickpea flour with water, oil, and baking powder. Then mix in the same veggies. Bake both at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 22 to 25 minutes. Each serving, 2 muffins, gives 12 to 18 grams of protein. Store in the fridge for 4 days, or freeze for a month. Pro upgrade: slather with chili crisp or tahini lemon drizzle before heading out. Pair with fruit for a Subway-friendly breakfast that tastes like a reward. 4. Yogurt jars that trick your brain into loving breakfast. Start with thick soy Greek yogurt or skyr. 15 to 20 grams protein per cup. Layer in berries, stone fruit, hemp hearts, and high-protein granola. Or DIY your crunch with buckwheat and pumpkin seeds. Batch 3 to 4 jars on Sunday, keeping granola separate if you want it crispy. Each jar hits 20 to 30 grams of protein. The sugar hack? Skip syrup if your fruit is sweet. Or add a drizzle of date syrup for a treat without the crash. Bonus: a nut butter jar at work turns this into a 30-plus gram breakfast in seconds. Perfect for people who hate breakfast. This one's a sneaky win. 5. Chickpea crepes that double as portable art. Socca is your breakfast MVP. Whisk 1 cup chickpea flour, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon oil, and salt. Let it rest 20 minutes or overnight. Cook thin crepes in a nonstick skillet. Then fill with hummus plus roasted peppers, white beans plus lemon, or tofu egg salad. Roll tight, slice in half, and wrap in parchment. Each wrap delivers 15 to 25 grams of protein. Keep crepes for 5 days. Assemble fresh to keep greens crisp. First crepe? Use it to test your heat. These won't crumble in your backpack and outshine every protein bar ever invented. 6. Sushi-inspired quinoa bowls for the savory squad. Skip the sweet stuff and build a fridge-ready bowl. Toss cooked quinoa with edamame, shredded veggies, and a tamari vinegar sesame dressing. Top with sesame seeds and nori. Each jar packs 20 to 25 grams of protein and lasts 4 days. Hate soggy veggies? Store dressing separately and mix at the last minute. Swap in farro, baked tofu, or mango for a sweet savory twist. Eat straight from the jar with chopsticks or a fork. No mess, no stress. This is breakfast that feels like a decision you're proud of. 7. Freezer smoothie packs that beat your blender's memory. Stop the 6:45 a.m. panic. In zip bags, freeze half banana, berries, spinach, oats, nut butter, hemp hearts, and either tofu or protein powder. On the day, dump into a blender with soy milk and blend for 45 to 60 seconds. Each pack hits 25 to 35 grams of protein. Texture tips. Blend protein with liquid first to avoid chalkiness. Too thick? Add water. Too thin? Toss in ice or more oats. Flavor hacks. Cinnamon plus espresso for mocha. Ginger plus pineapple for a wake-up. No blender? Make at home and pour into an insulated bottle. Add lemon at the end if greens taste too green. Keep 2 packs in your freezer door and you've already won 2 mornings. The big picture. Why this works. High-protein breakfasts don't need to steal your time or your willpower. The secret? Decide once, eat well 5 times. Start small. Pair a sweet option, oats or parfaits, with a savory, burritos or muffins. Batch on Sunday night, 1 tofu skillet, 1 tray of muffins, a pot of quinoa. Wednesday, top up with overnight oats and smoothie packs. Keep a spoon, napkins, and nuts in your bag. You'll notice the shift first in your mood, steady, then in your grocery bill, lower, and finally in that 10 a.m. moment when you realize you're not already hungry for lunch. And now the question. Are high-protein plant-based meals truly as satisfying as their animal-based counterparts? Or is this just a clever hack for busy people? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's debate it. After all, breakfast is the only meal where I'm not ready. Is a legitimate excuse. But maybe it doesn't have to be.